Hello, in the previous video we implemented that we can control the direction of our snake. In this video we want to implement that the snake does not jump to the next direction, so the snake have to float to the next direction. So for that we go into our script, and inside our while loop we have this code snippet here, and this code snippet move each object of the snake to the next position. So I create a new for each loop, a new simple for loop with the length of 100. So I copy this and paste it into my new loop, and the running variable is now, I use the name k for the parent loop and let the child loop by I. Then after each turn I have to wait some seconds or some milliseconds, so I cut this here out, paste it here and say I wait here for 10 milliseconds. So, and to move smoothly to the next position I can use the vector2 move towards method. And the first argument is the start position, so I use this position here. Then I need the target position, that's my target position, and then I need a step, and for the step I take one float. And if k is 99, so that's the last turn of the parent loop, and in the last turn of the parent loop I insert the new positions into my dictionary. So this vector can be also used in the else block. I only have to change the positions. I say the start position is this and the end position is this. And it is important that the result new position is this vector, and I say the new position is this. I forgot this also in my previous if block, so I say this position is new position or next position, whatever you want. So I copy this and I save my script. Now we go into Unity and I start my game. Now we see I get an exception. The problem is that I insert the new position in the next dictionary, so I get here a failure. So I have also to use if k is 99, insert the new positions into the new dictionary. So I save the script Now I try to start Unity, and we see the snake is moving a little bit smoother, but it always stops. This is because the snake is here moving, but this loop is not finished. So when the position is reached, this loop here is not finished, so the snake stops. So the thing what I can do is to decrease this time. So I say I don't wait 1 millisecond, I wait that's 1 millisecond. I don't wait 10 milliseconds, I wait 1 millisecond. So I save the game, and now I start the game. Now we see the snake is moving really fast. But it always stops. So I try to decrease the step what I get forward. So I use 0.5 for the next step. I save the game. I go into Unity and start the game. Now we see the snake is moving smooth to the next direction or to the next point. I think that's okay for this game. In the next video we implement that the snake can eat a meal, and when the snake eats the meal, the snake has to be growth, and it has to be longer.